Okay friends, today we are unboxing Shakti S5 model car power pressure. So here you can see Shakti technology S5 specification 1900 watts, voltage है 220 to 50 hertz, right? 11.8 kgs, 125 bar it shows, but actual pressure is around 60, 8 liter minute, gross weight 12.5. So we are unboxing this today. So let's unbox. We are unboxing. There are a lot of tapes around. So बहुत सारी टेप्स हैं इसके ऊपर. मैंने आज ही ये मंगवाया from Amazon. You can buy it too from there. So packing is really good and proper. So here is our box. There is a note also, I think. Okay, this is technical support number, and here is our box. हमारा बॉक्स ये रहा. इसके ऊपर भी टेप है. टेप से बंद है. ओके. Pipe, pressure gun here, manual, user manual, pressure gun installment, another pipe here, let's see what else we got in this. We already have seen this, right? ये the pipe, foam washer. इसके अंदर आप फोम डाल सकते हैं. इंस्टॉल करके आप इससे फोम के साथ क्लीन अप कर सकते हैं. One more pipe. We got one more pipe. Another pressure pipe. I think it is long enough. So properly packed inside. I think इतनी लंबी बहुत है ना, right? We will see demo in next video about pressure. Pressure हम अगली वीडियो में चेक करेंगे. We are just doing a unboxing in this video. I have purchased this for personal use. मैंने ये पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए बाय किया है, not for marketing. I repeat, I have purchased it for personal use, not for marketing. Here is our pump. There is handle above. Plug. Plug is here. Plug is durable. Plug is good. We have a handle on it to carry. You can use this handle to carry it anywhere. आप इस हैंडल का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं. It is very handy product, very useful. साइड में स्विच ऑन एंड ऑफ स्विच लगी है. Make sure to read the manual before installation. On first use, I think after few hours, you have to change the oil. Best thing about this pressure washer is you can easily change the oil. Yeah, आप easily इसका oil change कर सकते हैं. That's the best thing about this one. इसकी बेस्ट चीज़ यही है, आप easily इसका oil change कर सकते हैं. शक्ति इसलिए बाय किया, इसके स्पेयर पार्ट्स एंड सर्विस easily अवेलेबल है. अगर आप फॉरेन ब्रांड लेंगे उसकी सर्विस या स्पेयर पार्ट्स में प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. बट शक्ति यू कैन ईजिली बाय एनी स्पेयर पार्ट फ्रॉम इट वेबसाइट. आप इसको ईजिली सर्विस करवा सकते हैं कंपनी से. दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट दिस. S5 इसलिए मैंने परचेज किया, इसका प्रेशर अच्छा है फ्रॉम S3 मॉडल. फॉर नॉर्मल यूज़ के लिए it is good, best for our home. You can clean car, your bike also. You can clean your floors. आप फ्लोर भी क्लीन कर सकते हो, घर के फ्लोर्स जैसे छतें हैं, आउटडोर टाइल्स हैं. Anything you can wash easily from this. It is amazing product. If you have more queries, any more questions, you can ask in the comments below. This is pressure gauge above here. As you can see, S5 logo on it. S5 logo, you can see. It is amazing product according to me. Build quality is amazing. Build quality, outer body is very amazing. It's very heavy, quite heavy though. I think around 11 kgs, 11.8 something is mentioned outside. It is really heavy. Yeah. The handle is durable. Handle इसका बहुत durable है. You can take it anywhere from. You can carry it from here. So thank you so much for watching this video. So you can see this gun here, this pipe and manual. This manual, some pipes. This foam wash bottle and two pipes here. And a technical sports slip. So thank you so much for watching this video. It is amazing product. You can purchase it from Amazon. or from their website. It is amazing product according to me. I'm not editing this video, just natural recording with natural light to show you the simplicity, the basic of this product. Thank you so much, my friends.